So how we avoid misquoting people either over or under in pricing is by coming out to visit with you at your home on your best timing. And that way we can spend just a little bit of time going around your home, finding all the things that should be addressed and making sure that the bid is going to meet both your financial needs and the needs that the home has for staying protected. So hi, I'm Brad with Pacific Exteriors. We're gonna make a video today showing you exactly why getting a bid in-home with a professional is so much better than just trying to get a bid randomly over the phone. So many people ask, what does it entail to have a professional come out and actually look at my home and give me an estimate? So we'll walk through that real quickly. It's actually a very simple process. When we first meet, we say our hellos and smile and shake hands, it's all good. From there, we're gonna ask a few questions about how long you've been in your home, how long you plan on being in your home, what concerns you might have you seen any leaking, are there boards that are falling off, are there nails that are coming out? We wanna get an assessment from your view of really what's going on. Through that process, we can then start calculating that and making a few good decisions on really what might be needed. From there, we're gonna measure your house. We'll go around the entire house, measure every angle so that we can give you a complete, honest, updated bid on exactly what would be needed to fix the issues that you've talked about. We'll also point out any other items that may need to be addressed that you haven't thought about or haven't noticed yet. After we've created that bid, we're gonna sit down with you and we're gonna go through all details and all aspects of those bids, answer all of your questions, give you financing options, and make sure that you know exactly what the next steps would be in order to get moving forward with your project. So that's what you should be expecting from a professional that comes out to give you an on-site estimate. So there's a common misconception about the measurement of your home. When you're getting a bid on your siding, it's not the square footage of your home. This is why it's so important to have us come out and meet with you at your home so we can measure all the little ins and outs of your home so you can get an accurate bid. You see, if your house is a rambler house, one story, then you're gonna have a much larger roof and less siding. Yet if your home is kind of a square or a box and really tall, you're gonna have a very small roof and it's all siding. So having us come out to the home and measuring every bit of it is going to be crucial to us giving you an accurate and fair, true bid. So we get asked questions all the time about their current siding. And it's coming out to the home that really makes a big, big difference on what we're going to be able to see and give advice on for what needs to be replaced and what might be okay. If we don't come out to the home, because we get asked all the time, can't we just get a bid over the phone? And it really can't be done, but I'll show you why. When we come out to the home, we can spend the time by walking around your home and looking at all the different pieces of your home. This home, these folks were nice enough to let us take a look and show it as an example. They actually put up some caulking in these areas, just trying to keep water out. Because as time goes, the boards get drier, they shrink up a little bit and leave you with gaps. And living in the Northwest, we all know what that means, that water infiltration can get in and make things even more expensive in the future. So having us come out and look at the home and addressing these types of issues is going to be really important. Why we don't just give the bids over the phone is you might have a rambler home all on one story, you might have a 2-story home, a 3-story home, and the measurements of the siding are going to be very different on each of those styles of homes. So to be able to give somebody an accurate bid would actually be impossible. One, we don't know the condition and what's going on. Number two, a random quote for a certain amount without seeing the home, knowing whether it's 1-story, 2-story, whether it's on a flat ground or we have to climb up on ladders and build scaffolding, all that's going to be factored into pricing. But more importantly, the square footage that you're being quoted on probably won't be accurate. So you may get a quote that you like over the phone that's way under, and that's dangerous. Or you might get a quote that's way too much, and that's equally dangerous. The only way to give an accurate, true quote is to come out and look at the home with a professional and have them give you an assessment of what's going on with your individual home. It would be like calling your doctor. You wake up in the morning and your knee hurts, you can't walk. You call the doctor says, well, come on in and see me so I can assess your injury. No, doc, just over the phone, tell me what's wrong. They have no way of knowing. They have no way of knowing. And we wouldn't either. Any professional company wouldn't know how to do that without coming to see the home. So here's some of the concerns that we hear on a regular basis from the clients that we're going out to give a bid to. Number one, maybe they've already had a bid and they didn't have the best of experience. It could have been a bad experience because the company gave them a bid that was so high it cost more than the house did originally. Or it could have been from a company that, usually with those high prices, had a really pressure-filled system at the end and you just felt beat down and uncomfortable by the end of it. Or possibly it's the opposite, where you had a company out, you're not sure if they're even licensed, bonded, or insured. Do they have workers' comp? And they gave you a bid that was just written on a piece of paper or even on a napkin. And yes, we've seen those too. Other people are a little bit concerned because they know they want to get the right job done for the right dollar amount, but they don't know if they can afford to do it. We have financing. In fact, we have very good financing. So the person who comes out to meet with you is going to be a professional in all those aspects, be able to talk to you about everything going on with your home, the needs, the desires, the financing, and your budget. But don't let those scary, scary things keep you from taking care of your home. Well, thank you for watching. We hope this helps you be comfortable with having us out to come take care of you and your home and your siding needs. Go ahead and click the link below. You can schedule a free estimate by clicking that link. Thanks for watching.